Greetings everyone and welcome. My name is Shelly and today I'm going to be doing a lovely unboxing of Love 3. So let's get right to it. Alright, it looks like the cat is joining me for the unboxing. We've got Love 3 here, Premium Edition. Well, brought to us by Premium Edition. As always, excellent packaging. There's the soundtrack, the game itself, of course, and this is an art book. Well, not really an art book. It's got the level designs from all three titles in here, and I love this Atari style cover here. I've already went ahead and, opened everything here. This is easy. One thing I love about premium packaging is they include these little dust covers. And I may be mistaken, but I do believe this dust cover is inspired by the Sega Master System covers. Someone can let me know. There's that. And with each premium edition game, you get a challenge card, the developer challenge. Nope, not going to show you. Gotta buy it. See what the challenge is. And oh, the manual's got that same art style. Sorry for the glares. Soundtrack. Oh, that's so cool. Again, apologies for the glare. It's a little message. Very cool. Alright, so that's a short and sweet premium unboxing of Love 3. I cannot wait to play this. I'm gonna actually go play it right now, so let me know if you pick this up.